Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the domain name of your WordPress websites. Let's begin. First, open your browser and access WordPress. Make sure to continue with Google to access your account and dashboard. From there, I want you to go to the upgrade section and click on it. Then you will have the section which says domains. Click on it to access the domain management. From there, head over here, click on this option over here to drop or select more options and choose use a domain I own. Then you can simply enter your domain you would like to use. You can just simply copy paste this here and you can hit on continue. So once done, follow the payment steps if needed and enter the authorization code from your domain host to confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your WordPress site now uses a new domain name, giving your website a fresh and professional look. I hope you found this video very helpful.